student, we will finish thermochemistry one by one. You take all the notes and you will see that everything it is clear to you for thermodynamics. Here bond energy of OH negative we have to calculate in water. Okay, hydroxide bond in water. How many hydroxide bonds are there in water? You know that HOH. 2 OH bonds are there. Clear? H2O, how do we write? HOH like this. Okay, so it is 2 OH bonds are present over here, and we have to find out bond enthalpy or bond energy of 1 OH. Okay, 1 mole. So H2 plus O2 gives you H2O, and delta is given this minus 242 kilojoule per mole, means this is heat of combustion they have given of hydrogen. But we need not to worry because we are getting water. Okay, so bond energy of hydrogen and oxygen is given 436 kilojoule per mole and 500 kilojoule per mole. So this is for hydrogen, this is for oxygen. Find bond energy of OH bond. Okay, now what we will do? OH bond energy can be calculated from combustion of hydrogen. How? This equation we have to write down here, that 2 minus 2 delta H here from the reaction of the combustion of hydrogen is equal to sum of bond energy of reactants and minus bond enthalpy of product. Only in bond enthalpy term reactant minus product will be there. In rest of the thermodynamics only product minus reactant, but in this case bond enthalpy term when we are dealing, or bond energy term we are dealing, at that time reactant minus product, sum of reactant, bond enthalpy of sum of reactant minus bond enthalpy of sum of products would be there. So product is here only 2 OH, water means 2 OH, so we will write down 2 OH bond enthalpy. I have bond enthalpy of reactant, so bond enthalpy of hydrogen plus bond enthalpy of oxygen divided by 2, because here it is half. Okay, half mole, not 1 mole. So we have to whatever bond energy of oxygen is given divided by 2 will be the half of the bond enthalpy of oxygen which is required over here. So put the value. Bond enthalpy of hydrogen is 436, bond enthalpy of oxygen given 500 by 2 minus twice of BeOH, because product is 2 moles of OH. Okay, so at that moment we'll calculate out, we'll simplify, we'll get all this is simple math is there, simplify it, so we will get 2 bond enthalpy is equal to 928. So 1 BOH will be having half of 928, so we'll get 464 kilojoule per mole.